Hello and welcome to another update video about Verasity. Certainly a potential 5-wave move up that we had here from January 23 into the February 23 highs. Since then, price has come down in what I consider a corrective structure. I'm currently counting that as a so-called WXY, more complex corrective structure. Alternatively, yeah, it could be an ABC, the C wave, the ending diagonal, but it looks to me more like a WXY structure in which the Y wave is currently unfolding and is basically an A wave down, or even here, A wave, B wave to the upside, and the C wave down with maybe one more low to come. Yeah, maybe one more low to come. Why? Because if we look at the more detailed wave count, and again, on looking at the altcoins, you have to be a bit careful with the sub-wave structures, but it is very much possible that we had here, this could be a diagonal structure to the downside, yeah, a leading diagonal in a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, here wave 4, and we're dealing here probably with, actually probably the C wave being a diagonal anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in that case probably the one was here. Then you have a 3-wave move down in 1, 3-wave move up in 2. The wave 3 probably bottomed here or here. Doesn't really matter. It doesn't make a difference to the analysis. And then one more low to come in wave 5. That is at least one possible interpretation. Other interpretations will be possible. That is just the nature of it in a diagonal structure. But essentially what is important to understand is that the 4-cent level here, no, it's not 4 cents, it's 0.04. This has been important support for the A wave. Seems likely that a C wave would go below that level. This last rally was 3 waves, so corrective. And one more low could take it obviously below that A wave low. Yeah? So expectations would be for it to go below 0.0039. And now let's take a look at the Fibonacci extensions for potential targets. Now, what can be potential targets? So what we can do is take the length of the wave W, go to the high of the X wave, and then we're looking for the 1-to-1 ratio, the 100% extension is here at 0.0033. That's the level to watch. Then obviously down here the 0.003 level. And let's see if we can get any more wisdom from comparing the length waves A and C. Okay, let's do that as well. Where are we here? So let's take that tool. Because we can take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and the best level we can get here is the 61.8 Fibonacci extension at 0.00366. These are two levels to watch. Now, what I cannot rule out is that this B wave will get an extension. That would be an alternative. So the B wave could already have topped. It was quite shallow though. We look at the Fibonacci retracements, how much did the B wave retrace? Okay, to the 50% retracement, perfect normally for a B wave, but you cannot rule out that it goes a little higher, basically in a more extended A, B, C correction, and the B wave actually sits here, and then we come down. You never know that. Especially in a correction, it's a bit messy. Therefore, I'm going to add to the chart basically here this B with a question mark. This is certainly a valid alternative. If we start to rally without one more low, then I would pay attention to this, that we get a higher B wave. What else is there to highlight? But I think it is likely eventually to get one more low because this rally was just corrective in 3 waves. Yeah. What else can we do? I think we might be able to add a trend line here that we could pay attention to. Yeah? Add this trend line to the chart. It's potentially quite a large descending wedge actually. So we could pay some attention to that. Watch for a potential breakout of this wedge pattern. Don't really have any touch points down here, but we had some touch points up here. Unless we want to shift that down. Oh yeah, that actually fits quite well. Probably like that. And that's an interesting one to watch, that descending wedge. So from that point of view, if we make one more low and maybe then breakout, would be fantastic. That's my update about Verasity. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.